Sometimes you can say people, they don't care about you. They don't call you, check you, visit on you. Nowadays, people, they are busy with their lives. They are focusing with their lives and businesses. So when you saw they don't come into your house, it's better to go and visit them. Other people, they don't want visitors. It's better to call or to say hi. It's better. Even they don't say hi to you, so sometimes start them to say hi even in a WhatsApp or message, because other people nowadays, they don't want visitors in their homes. You say, I want to visit someone or what without calling. You know that to visit someone without calling some nowadays is not good. Maybe that person wants to go somewhere and you came as a surprise. So it's better to call or send a message. Nowadays, people, they are busy, guys. Most of the people, they are busy focusing with their businesses, with their lives. There is no time to focus to someone, even a family member or a friend or in relationship. You know that nowadays relationship, even you don't stay with that person, sometimes you have to focus with your life than we are focusing with that person. That person, when you saw your boyfriend doesn't call you or your girlfriend, he is busy focusing with his life, with his business to be successful. Sometimes, guys, don't focus too much with other people. Those people, they don't focus about you. They are busy to have a good life.